Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in PepsiCo Inc. step by step clearly. To invest in PepsiCo Inc., begin by researching the company's financial health and market position. Visit PepsiCo's official website and review the latest annual reports and financial statements. Use financial news websites to track PepsiCo's stock performance, including trends and market sentiment. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one yet, ensuring it offers access to major stock exchanges. Compare different brokerage platforms based on fees, ease of use, and available tools. Once your account is set up, deposit funds that you plan to invest in PepsiCo. Search for PepsiCo stock using its ticker symbol, PEP, in your brokerage platform. Analyze the stock's current price and determine your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance. Decide how many shares you want to purchase or if you prefer to invest a specific dollar amount. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price or a limit order to purchase at a specific price. Monitor your investment regularly, keeping an eye on PepsiCo's financial news and market developments. Consider setting up price alerts to stay informed about changes in PepsiCo's stock price. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay updated on dividend announcements, as PepsiCo is known for its consistent dividend payments. Reassess your portfolio in light of any major company news or personal financial changes. Finally, be prepared for market volatility and invest with a long-term perspective for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.